Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today we're going to convert this area into a flower bed. It's a beautiful fall day, perfect time for planting. And we're gonna landscape with fire chief Thuja. We got 4 of these plants on sale and I think they will look really nice along this wall. And of course Marcus showed up to supervise the project. Meanwhile, just playing with leaves. First, we'll clean up this area from leaves. On the leaves, I found some invasive Asiatic dayflower and mullein. I'm gonna remove, of course. Also, I'm gonna remove a top layer of soil to have some space for marble chips we're gonna use. What do you think, Marcus? And off we go. Cleaning up weeds and removing top layer of soil to make some space for marble chips. And to finish this side off, I was thinking to put few concrete pavers because here's a concrete patio, and then plant and put marble chips on top. Unfortunately, there are so many rocks we have to dig out from each hole for each plant. But that's why we got soil. We're gonna fill in the hole. These guys have been growing in pots for a while, so all roots are so tightly packed. I need to go and try to cut them a little bit so they can grow outside. And Wookie made an appearance to check on the project. And Marcus is keeping an eye on this as well. I'm laying down landscape fabric before putting marble chips. You think it's going okay, Marcus? Then let's continue. Fire Chief Thuja is an evergreen shrub that provides interest in your landscape all year long. In spring, its foliage is bright gold that turns sage green with fiery red tips in fall. This Thuja evergreen has a compact form, rounded habit, and requires little maintenance. It is slow growing and is going to look amazing in the space between patio and the wall. The new flower bed along the wall is ready. All 4 Fire Chief Thujas are in, as well as marble chips. And I really like how it looks. I know it's late in the season, but hopefully they all survive. Happy gardening!